Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commodity commentary for Thursday. It's about 3:15 Eastern Time. Markets somewhat reverse course. Yesterday the Federal Reserve came out and announced that there would be no halt to the monthly buyback of debt. The Federal Reserve continued to buy back debt at the rate of $85 billion, that's with a B, every 30 days. And so when they made that announcement, that certainly rocketed the stock market, the financial markets, and actually helped the commodities markets a little bit. But since that time, as everybody's had time to think about it, and as we suggested yesterday, if the Fed decided, since the Fed decided to maintain its buyback program of debt, that could only mean that the Fed still believes the economy is weak. And certainly the market had to rethink that. So, for instance, crude oil today was sharply lower after having that big rally of yesterday. We're down almost $2 a barrel. Heating oil's down almost 4 cents a gallon. Gasoline's down 5 cents a gallon. The stock market's down a little bit and looks a little teetering to us. So it's amazing how the markets can change from day to day, fluctuate from day to day, really on the same news. But over in the cotton market, looks like they're going to get some rain in at least East Texas, Southern Texas, maybe a little bit of West Texas, but I don't know how much that helps the market, but for whatever reason, we did break today. Now, exports came out for cotton, and they were below last week. So the last couple of weeks, sales and shipments have been less than desired. So the cotton market, after going to 85.70, fell down to 84.20 and went out right around 84.72, down about 80 points. The leader in the grains today happened to be the wheat market. Suddenly, the wheat market's coming alive, as we've been talking about. Wheat was up 10 cents today, while corn was up 3 cents. So those wheat-corn relationships are starting to work, and simply because wheat is beyond its harvest, corn's about to enter its harvest. And so I think we may see that continue to widen a little bit in there. They're getting some rain in the Midwest, so that broke the beans today. At one time, beans were down 15, 16 cents, but they finished about 8 cents lower. November beans going out around 13.39, down about 8. Now, of course, tomorrow's the end of the week. People usually jumpy to take stuff over the weekend these days, given the geopolitical situation and the weather and the like. So we may see a lot more two-sided trading in the markets. But of course, we're marching to the end of the month, and we'll have a quarterly grain stocks number at that time. We'll see what USDA says about demand for corn, beans, and wheat. There won't be any cotton on that number. At any rate, let's see what tomorrow holds for us. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.